3, 2, 1.
Right, okay, so we're off to Plumbers Park. Gonna see some dolphins, see some animals. So yeah, come and join us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think the boys had a bit of a late night last night, but no, it was a good night. But yeah, like and subscribe, press the little bell. It helps the channel out massively. So yeah, let's go. Carl is a little bit hangover. How are you feeling?
Rough.
So Carl went to the piano bar, we went back and he stayed for a little longer. Don't know how long because he's in a different unit, so
I don't even know how long.
he's feeling it today, as you can tell by the shaking.
I'm feeling sorry for myself.
But we're going to have fun at Plumbers Park. We're going to put him on that roller coaster that goes up.
No, I'm not. No, I'm really not. I've been sick laying in my bed, let alone going upside down.
For the records, there ain't no roller coasters there, so it's all good. But he's still having a beer.
Well, I'm just thinking, the more drunk I get, the less hungover I feel.
Yeah.
Eventually.
Anyway, let's see how he feels later.
I tried to think.
So it looks like they all had a late night last night. I'm fine. Is everyone else? Right, so what did you reckon of the dolphin show?
Best part of the park.
Best part of the park. What about the eagles and the birds of prey?
That was really good as well.
Really good. Yeah, it is nice here. Very natural. I keep calling it Palomas Park, but what is it called?
I don't even know. Palmortis or something.
Palmortis. Yeah, I've been calling it Palomas Park for years. I just realised it's not what it's called. But I'll put it down below. But yeah, having fun?
Really fun.
You okay?
Yeah,
What are you having to eat?
I'm having hot dogs and chips.
What are you having, Alfie?
Chicken breast but it's breadcrumbs and chips.
Very nice. You having a nice time?
Yeah, very
Yeah.
good.
What's been your favourite?
All of it. I can't decide.
And Holiday World.
Yeah, I can't
Aquahand
decide.
and Holiday World. That's good. All right then, well, we're going to have something to eat and we're going to go to, I call it Barracuda. If anyone else says the same, I've called it Barracuda for years. I still don't know what it's called. But yeah, we're going to see a show tonight. But it's like a funny drag show, so have a little
We
laugh.
booked a table for 8:30.
Yeah, so we've got to book a table for 8:30. So yeah, join us. Let's go.
Was it? Oh, bless you. Did your dad pay for that?
No, I'll have to give it back to him.
Heart chained to rhythm and blues, forgetting your name with every move. I'm broken, but all I wanna do is disappear.